Royal Enfield Hunter 350, retro charm with a modern twist, made for the streets and built to turn heads. But while you ride clean, that speedometer glass takes all the hits, scratches, dust, and oily fingerprints from every ride. Enter Spartan Shield, a screen protector designed for the Hunter's round dial display. It keeps your console clean, clear, and protected, just the way it looked on day one. Begin by wiping the dial with the alcohol wipe provided in the kit. Remove all the dirt, smudges, and grime from your city rides. Next, dry the surface using the microfiber cloth. Make sure it's clean and streak-free before you proceed. Use the dust removal sticker to tap gently and pick up any remaining particles, even the tiny ones that cause bubbles. Now, peel off the backing of the screen protector. Hold it from the edges and avoid touching the adhesive. Align it with the curve of the Hunter's round dial. Once it's lined up, gently place it and press down from the center outward. Now use the squeegee to smooth out any bubbles and lock it in. Finally, peel off the outer film, and boom, that retro display is now Spartan strong. Ride rough, ride royal, but keep that console clean. Spartan Shield, made for the classics, built for the streets.